channel CS Net Lectures. So in the last class we discussed regarding different types of stack operations and its algorithms and its concepts. Okay, so as I told already, now we are going to discuss about the problematic side also, that is both theoretical as well as practical. So in this session we are going to discuss about practical problems. So these types of formats we are going to discuss in many ways so that you may be finding it very easy in future so that you can able to clear the examination in an easier manner, right? So now we shall proceed with the problem. So this is the first problem. The input of the stack is 6, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Then what is the output of the stack? So before discussing, you should have a clear recap about how a stack data structure is going to be and its meaning. So if you have any doubt, better you can go to the previous sessions what I have discussed and then you can come back and watch this video so you will be having a clear knowledge and idea. Okay, shall we proceed? So how a stack data structure will be? So the stack data structure is going to be in this order. Okay, so stack data structure is going to be in this way. So the elements are going to come in this order. First element is 6. Okay, because how the element will be storing? So the element is going to get stored in the shelf manner, right? And we are going to access the elements in last in first out method by using the pointer. Okay, so this is the first element. Now the second element is going to come. So increment the pointer, it is 3, right? Now the third element is going to come, it is 4. And the fourth element is going to come, it is 5, right? And the last element is going to come, that is 1. So this is the last element that has been arrived and the pointer is pointing to the last element. Now, what is the next step we should have to do is, we should have to find what is the stack output, right? So how you're going to find the output of the stack? The stack output can be easily found by means of pop operation. Once you have popped the element, we can just output on the system that this is the element that has been popped. So now we shall see how we can do it, right? So as we are going on popping the element, we can easily print it on the screen. So now by using last in first out method, I am going to pop the element. So what is the first element I am going to pop? So it is 1. It is being removed. Now the pointer is decremented, right? So now what is the next element is popped? It is 5. We are removing it. Now what is the next element popped? It is 4. Now what is the next element popped? It is 3. Then the last element present is 6. That also we are going to remove it and it is going to get printed. Likewise, we are getting the output of the stack. Okay, so now can we guess the answer? So the answer is 1, 5, 4, 3 and 6. Likewise, we are getting the output as 1, 5, 4, 3 and 6. By comparing the values of input and output, can you guess anything that is being present? See, the input values are 6, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay, suppose if you reverse it, can you get the output? Yeah, yes, you can get the output. See, if you reverse these values, you will get as 1, 5, 4, 3, 6. Okay, so by easily reversing itself, we can get the answer. So we didn't want to waste the time in solving the problem like this. By inserting and deleting, it will take a lot of time. So if you get a problem like this, you can easily find the answer that the input of the stack will produce the output in the reverse manner. Okay, that is the answer will be in the reverse order. Just you note it down, it will be very useful for you while you are solving the problem. Okay, right? Shall we proceed to the next question? Okay. So next question is, the following sequence of operation is done on the stack. Okay, so what will be the final elements in this stack? So this we are going to discuss. Okay, so in this format itself, you are able to get different types of questions. For example, they will ask you what is the order of deletion. I write it here. What is the order of deletion? Like this, they may ask, or they will ask what is the order of insertion. What is the order of insertion? So in this single question, you may get three types of answers. That we are going to see it now. Okay, so this is the sequence they have given. So based on the sequence, I am going to find the answer of all these three. Right? Shall we proceed? So you may all know what is push and pop. We have discussed many times. So we can directly proceed with the question. So we can draw a stack. Okay. So what is the first value that is being coming? The first value is 10. We have stored. Now, what is the second value is coming? So, what is the first value inserted? We can directly solve or we can directly write the answer. Okay. So, the first value inserted is 10. Now, what is the second value? So, the second value is going to get inserted is 20. So, increment the pointer and insert. So, we have inserted as 20. Right? So, now we are going to delete one operation. So what is delete? So delete is nothing but pop operation. So we are going to pop an element. So what is the first element that is being deleted? The first element deleted is 20. So right here. So the element deleted is 20. The only one element that is present is 10. Now the pointer is pointing here like this. Now again an element is going to be pushed. What is that element? So that element is 10. So now insert that element. It is 10. Right? So what is the element inserted? It is 10. Okay. So again we are going to insert another one element that is 20. Okay. See the fifth sequence. Okay. So increment the pointer and insert the element. So add it over here. We have inserted. Right? Now we are going to have to perform three pop operations. That is, let me proceed with the sixth pop operation. So what it is going to do? So it is going to delete the first topmost element. So the first topmost element deleted is 20. Can we write it here? Right. Now the point is pointing here. Now we have done this operation. Now we are going for this seventh one. So again the seventh is pop operation, isn't it? So again do a pop. So what will happen? So this 10 is going to get deleted. So write it over here. Right? So again do a pop operation. So again it is going to delete the value. So again the 10 is getting deleted. So write it over here. Okay? Clear? So friends, now we are going to proceed with the ninth sequence. So ninth sequence is we are going to push another one element. So it is 20. Shall we push it? So push over here. Right? Pushed. So here also we can write it as 20. Right? Can you understand? So last operation is pop. So what will happen? So the pointer that is pointing to the element which is the topmost element, also it is the only one single element that is being present in the stack, that is going to get deleted. Right? So now deleted. Can we add it over here? Right? So now we have deleted the values. Right? So now can you tell me what is the answer that will come for this statement? The final elements in the stack are what? It is empty. This is the final element. No element, isn't it? So they will be giving you many options. So in that options you must have to select the option as empty. Then another question, for example, instead of this, suppose they asked, what is the deletion order of the stack? Suppose they ask, this is the order. 20, 20 was deleted, then and 20. Like this element was being deleted. And if they ask, what is the order of insertion of the stack, means you can opt for this answer. Clear? So in this single question, we have discussed what is the total number of elements present finally, what is the order of deletion, and what is the order of insertion. Clear? So this is one of the very important question both I am talking about. So please understand this question and how about to solve this question, right? So now in the next class I am going to take over some more questions of this practically, and then we are going to discuss about it, right? So friends, I think you might have understood this problematic area questions. Okay, and thank you for watching, and I also request you to share this channel to many of the friends so that they may also be benefited out of it. And I request you to subscribe this channel, friends. Okay, thank you and thank you for watching.